Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Today is a special review day. We're not visiting one brand new place. Instead, we're gathering up the 5 magic phrases Hannah learned across her last few adventures. Over her recent trips, Hannah asked for help finding a tent at REI, asked for a window table at the Cheesecake Factory, checked in at Aspen Dental, asked to use a bay at Topgolf, and leaned on one trusty say that again phrase whenever things moved too fast. Today, we're bringing all 5 of those magic phrases back together, then watching Hannah use her favorites again, with real confidence. The star of the show is her warmest one. Could you help me? So get comfortable, and let's review Hannah's 5 magic phrases. Alright. Here's today's special plan. 1. Review all 5 of Hannah's magic phrases from her recent adventures too. Watch Hannah use 3 of her favorites again, back at REI, the Cheesecake Factory, and Aspen Dental 3. Take a fun quiz spotting her warm asking for help phrase. Every single one of these phrases is something you can use this week, in real life, anywhere in the world. By the end of this video, all 5 phrases will feel like old friends, ready whenever you need them. Ready? Let's review. Here are Hannah's 5 magic phrases, one from each of her recent adventures. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Could you help me find a good tent? Could you help me find a good tent? This phrase is from REI. Could you help me? Is a warm, polite way to ask for a helping hand whenever you feel a little stuck or unsure where to start. Key phrase 2. Would it be possible to get a table by the window? Would it be possible to get a table by the window? This phrase is from the Cheesecake Factory. Would it be possible to? Is a gently formal, extra polite way to ask for a small favor, calm and considerate. Key phrase 3. I was wondering if I could check in for my appointment? I was wondering if I could check in for my appointment? This phrase is from Aspen Dental. I was wondering if is a soft, gentle way to ask a question, perfect for a quiet, humble request with no pressure at all. Key phrase 4. Is it okay if I use the 2-person bay? Is it okay if I use the 2-person bay? This phrase is from Topgolf. Is it okay if I gently asks for permission before a small request? It shows respect and keeps things friendly. Key phrase 5. Could you say that again, a little slower? Could you say that again, a little slower? This is your everyday lifesaver. The phrase Hannah reaches for most. Whenever someone speaks too fast, this gentle phrase buys you time, and people are always happy to slow down. See? You already know all 5. Now let's watch Hannah use some of her favorites again. Hannah steps back into a busy REI outdoor store to pick up one more piece of gear. Marcus, a busy but friendly gear associate in his 30s, moving quickly while still helping with a grin, looks up from a display of backpacks.
Hey, welcome back to REI. What are we shopping for today?
Hi. I'm planning my first camping trip. Could you help me find a good tent for 2 people?
Ooh, love that. For 2 people, this lightweight one is a customer favorite. Easy to set up, packs down really small.
Oh, that looks perfect. Is it okay in a little rain?
Great question. Yep, the rain fly keeps you nice and dry.
Wonderful. And could you help me find a sleeping pad too?
Of course, right this way. REI has a whole wall of them.
Thank you so much. You're making this so easy.
Anytime. That's what we're here for. Enjoy your first trip out there.
There it is again. Could you help me find a good tent? The same warm phrase from Hannah's REI adventure, now used with total confidence. Notice how Marcus, even while he was busy tagging gear, happily stepped over to lend a hand. That warm could you help me? Makes it so easy for someone to say yes. One phrase, many moments, that's the real power of learning it well. Hannah returns to a lively The Cheesecake Factory for a treat. At the host stand, David, a cheerful, easygoing host in his 40s, calm and warm, greets her with a smile.
Hi, welcome back to the Cheesecake Factory. How many in your party?
Hi. Just 2 of us today. Would it be possible to get a table by the window?
Let me see. Yes, we have a lovely window table opening up right now.
Oh, wonderful, thank you. And would it be possible to split 1 slice of cheesecake for dessert?
Of course, I'll bring an extra fork. The original is always a good choice, just so you know.
Perfect. This window seat is my favorite spot at the Cheesecake Factory.
We're happy to have you back. Right this way.
Thank you so much, David.
My pleasure, enjoy your meal.
Beautiful. Notice how Hannah used would it be possible to get a table by the window? The same gently formal pattern from her The Cheesecake Factory episode, and David happily found her the perfect seat. A soft would it be possible to is calm and extra polite, and it makes your request feel easy and considerate. Hannah stops by Aspen Dental for a checkup. At the front desk, Tony, a new, slightly nervous clerk in his 20s, double-checking every step carefully, looks up from the computer.
Hi, welcome to Aspen Dental. How can I help you today?
Hi. I was wondering if I could check in for my cleaning appointment?
Oh, sure. Can I get your name, please?
Hannah, Hannah.
Got it. Okay, you're all set. The hygienist will call you in about 10 minutes, and please fill out this quick form.
Oh, sorry, could you say that again, a little slower?
Of course, the hygienist will call you in about 10 minutes. And here's a short form to fill out first.
Ah, got it now. Thank you for slowing down. And I was wondering if you validate parking here.
We do. Just bring your ticket up to the desk when you leave.
Perfect, thank you so much, Tony.
You're welcome. Have a great visit at Aspen Dental.
Wonderful. Today Hannah brought back her favorite phrases in 3 familiar places: finding a tent at REI, getting a window table at the Cheesecake Factory, and checking in at Aspen Dental. Notice, every single phrase was already inside her, ready to use, exactly when she needed it. That's what happens when you practice a phrase again and again, it becomes a natural part of how you speak. 5 phrases, and 1 confident traveler. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Hannah wanted to warmly ask someone to lend her a hand. Which of these is her gentle asking for help magic phrase? A. Help me find a tent. B. Could you help me find a good tent? C. I need you to find me a tent. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the reason why. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Let's look back one more time at all 5 of Hannah's magic phrases. 1. Could you help me find a good tent? From REI. 2. Would it be possible to get a table by the window? From the Cheesecake Factory. 3. I was wondering if I could check in for my appointment? From Aspen Dental. 4. Is it okay if I use the 2-person bay? From Topgolf. 5. Could you say that again, a little slower? Your everyday lifesaver. 5 phrases, 5 real American places, and 1 confident Hannah, carrying every one of these little phrases with her, wherever she goes next. If this video helped you review and remember, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly means the world to me. And next time, we're back to a brand new everyday adventure. We'll step inside a real Wingstop to order wings, pick from all those tasty flavors, and practice ordering when there are lots of choices. See you then. Bye-bye.